as an intense cold snap sweeps across China. Plunging temperatures and heavy snowfall have prompted swift action from authorities to mitigate its wide-ranging impact. This Arctic blast has severely affected the Inner Mongolia Autonomous Region, as well as the northeastern and northern provinces, disrupting daily life and causing significant challenges to transportation and infrastructure.
我靠，上沟里了！我操！这厉害了！我操，多少个车？
The China Meteorological Administration advised local governments in affected regions to adopt tailored measures based on their specific circumstances, emphasizing the importance of preventing further disruption and ensuring public safety. In Inner Mongolia, the snowstorm has been particularly severe, with accumulations nearing half a meter in depth in some areas. The icy conditions have caused minor collisions on the roads, as drivers struggle to navigate treacherous conditions. Emergency response teams are on high alert, working to clear the snow and minimize traffic disruptions. Shandong Province, meanwhile, is grappling with its own snowstorm, which prompted the Provincial Meteorological Bureau to issue a red alert. Emergency plans have been activated to mitigate the blizzard's impact, focusing on reducing risks to both infrastructure and human life. Schools and businesses have been urged to temporarily close in some areas, and local authorities have deployed additional resources to assist stranded residents.
阳他这边啊，什么政府都没管活了，没得啥的人啊，石油坡切了爬不上，多少多这车。
In Xinjiang, sanitation workers are diligently clearing snow and ice from roads to maintain safe travel conditions. Large snow removal equipment has been deployed to prevent prolonged disruptions. Transportation departments have mobilized quickly to address road emergencies, assisting stranded vehicles and restoring traffic flow with the help of snowploughs and police escorts. To further protect citizens and visitors, the Municipal Bureau of Culture and Tourism has issued a blue cold wave alert. This directive emphasizes safety precautions at scenic spots, particularly in mountainous and remote areas where icy conditions pose significant risk.
1.1米北门这条道哈，10路口红绿灯啊，特别晃啊，开车一定要注意慢点哈，慢点。
Authorities have instructed operators of tourist destinations to implement safety measures, including the prevention of slips and falls, the evacuation of tourists in hazardous conditions, and the temporary closure of sites during severe weather.
先看一下。有刹车呢，刚倒车踩过。啊，松离合，发动整。
The cold wave is expected to intensify in the coming days, moving southeast and bringing frigid conditions to central and eastern China.